Dear all, today we are dealing with the enzyme in hemicellulose degradation. D-galactosanase is one of the enzymes involved in degradation of the hemicellulose. These enzymes capable of degrading D-galactans and L-arabino D-galactans. D-galactosanes are of two distinct types that are specific for 1,3 and 1,4 beta D-galactopyranosyl linkages. Both the enzymes are able to degrade D-galactan randomly to afford D-galactose and D-galacto-oligosaccharides. D-galactosanes have been reported to be produced by Bacillus subtilis, by a rumen anaerobic bacterium, by fungi and by plants. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.